Meet the new addition to the Ultra range, the 18V UltraTrim 300. Blending high-performance trimming with ultimate comfort and control. Tackling dense grass and tough long patches is now a walk in the park. With the added PowerBoost option, you can take performance even higher for the most stubborn jobs. Comfort and balance are always on point, allowing you complete control. With an adjustable ergonomic handle, you can find your perfect position, and a low-weight design ensures total maneuverability, whilst minimizing strain and fatigue. The plant guard helps you work with confidence around delicate foliage. Conscious design means that 50% of all plastic components are made from recycled material. Durability comes as standard with a heavy-duty 2mm line, designed to tackle even dense grass while delivering consistent, clean-cut results. Convenience is built in. A short line indicator lets you know when it's time to simply bump the head to release more line. Storage is made easy with the split shaft design, giving you maximum space. Battery power has never been this effective. And when it's time to charge, the smart LED will give you the heads up. As part of the Power for All Alliance, the 18V UltraTrim 300 is compatible with the largest multi-brand battery system. Not only is the battery interchangeable with your other battery-powered Flymo products, it also works with over 100 other tools for the home and garden, which means you can maximize your battery series and expand your cordless capabilities. The 18V UltraTrim 300 is the perfect companion for taking on your toughest jobs, making a garden to be proud of. Flymo.